Okay, our first complaint of the day is at this intersection where I'm told that there's very long wait times for a green, so let's find out what's going on here. Of course, this is the first cold day of the year, and we got a laundry list of signal malfunctions, but you know, it's the thing about traffic signals, they don't care when they malfunction. And I'm looking here, I can already see the problem. You can see the side street are getting greens. No one's present either direction, which is going to cause the main line to stop unnecessarily. So something's hanging up this side street. All right, let's see what's going on here. There's something in here making a loud noise. What is this? Little makeshift battery backup unit is making some noise. What is this? Let's see. Alarm event. I'm guessing we lost power briefly. Let's see if I just push this button. Well, okay. That started working. Well, I'm initially saying that I've got a faulting loop, and that is for phase 4. And I do see I have a phase 4 call. So what if I just undo this? Take the fuse out. If I can get her. Come on now. Alright, taking the fuse out. Now let's put it back in. Alright. Okay, so the fault's gone. Let's see if that detection, there's a vehicle over there. Let's see if just cycling power to that fuse goes away. We do have an 8 call though, which is over here still. No one's there. I'll have to look at that next. But let's see if that phase 4 starts working correctly. Cycling power to this doesn't seem to really, seems like it's coming back chattering. There's no one there. All right, just looking at my print here. Phase 4 is my stuck call. That's northbound. That's this one right here. That's this direction. That's giving me a constant call. I'm gonna remove that box, detector box, and replace it first to see if I can get this thing going. Man, this baby's on tight. Okay, replace it with the new one. We'll see what the outcome is. Alright, here comes our first car. Ah, damn it, he's going the wrong lane. Here comes another one, and ah, damn it. He's got a flat tire. Well, sometimes you gotta take things in your own hands. There's such little traffic here, I'm just gonna pull up with my own truck and see if I can't get it to work. Ah, it's still dead. I've been messing with this harness here. It doesn't feel like it's actually threading in all the way. It's falling short. I don't know if we got an issue with this. Well, I've got a lot more to get to, so what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I have multiple other detectors hooked up for the same direction, but for other boxes, I might try to share one of these, I think it's this one down here, with, I'll double up on one of these terminals and see if that detector box will pick up both sets and see if we can't get this going. Let's just take a quick look here. There's my 1, 2, 3 phase 4 westbound loops. Over here, 1, 2, 3 phase 4 westbound loops. The left is my issue. Right down there is the third one. So that one, I'm going to try to move up to the right turn and get that going. So I doubled up 2 loops, which is the left and the right stop bar loops for that westbound direction. They're now being used on this box here. So we'll try this again. Here's the right turn. All right, that one's working. Yes, it's working. I have a call in to phase 4. That's me right there. All right, good. All right, we can cross off problem number 1, that's fixed. On to number 2. Coincidentally, problem number 2 is at the neighboring intersection. Okay, complaint number 2 was side streets were getting green when there was no one there, kind of similar to what we had at the last one. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's see, we got radars here. They picked up that left turn lane there, that's why this went red, to give a green arrow this way. There's cars there now. Okay, phase 4 is coming up. Those are greens. Go this direction here. Will it drop out? Phase 4 dropped out. Yellow. Red. Greens for the main line. So Turner there coming through. We do have radars at this intersection picking up vehicles. I don't know, I'll watch it for a little bit, but I think this is one of those false calls that you get from time to time. I don't see any issues here. Okay, number 2 is easy, no problems. We're gonna move on to number 3. On to complaint number 3, which, well, you're gonna see a theme here, that someone was not getting a green light. Okay, so we have no left turn traffic on the opposing movement here, yet these people are not getting a green light. So I can see where the complaint's coming in there. Let's see here. Okay, so they got a green now. Got some traffic coming through here. Okay, we still have more traffic. I think that green was also short for that direction. Let's go see what we have in the cabinet. Okay, let's pop this open here. All right, let's just look at the detectors first. Got one faulting there. That is an open loop for our phase 3 northeastbound right turn. I'll just call it northbound right turn or eastbound right turn. Northeastbound right turn. So let's look at the print here. Okay, northeastbound right turn. Okay. So initially, since I'm running all over the place today, I could just, well, let's first start by pulling this card out. Yikes. Yeah, jeez. Try again here. So we still have an open loop. Let's just go and inspect, I guess, first. So this is the lane here that's showing an open loop. Honestly, I don't even care about right turn lanes that much. This is a free flowing if they want to. If there's no one coming, there's not much traffic that comes this direction. I really think spending the time just to go in there and try to figure out, or recutting a loop here is pointless. So we'll just go ahead and turn that channel off on that card, and we'll probably see things run just as good as it was before. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that lane off over there. So all we gotta do is come into here, select our channel. We're gonna go down to setup, select that. We're gonna turn off this channel. Select that, okay, and now our fault is gone. Now let's see the other issue, which was short-changing our main line here. That is phase 1, is the opposing movement. We have a constant call on phase 1. There is no left turners over there. Phase 1 is, okay, there is a phase 1. We also have another phase 1 and a third phase 1. All I see stuck on is that one. So let's just pull that card out. Let it sit for a second. Let's put it back in. Let it relearn. Now let's watch it. Much better. Well, that's problem number 3 taken care of. So we had 3 complaints today, 2 that actually had issues, 1 that, well, there was no problem, but we responded to those calls regardless. Whether there's problems or not, you never know until you get there. So, you know, this is just an example day for me as a signal tech, and now it's time for that 2-hour trip back to the homestead. So, thanks guys for watching my videos. I'll see you next time.
It's good to be home. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. And God bless the United States of America.